Hey there! Are you interested in learning how to track and analyze stock market trends, but not sure where to start? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to do it like a pro. First of all, it's important to understand what stock market trends are. A stock market trend is a general direction that the market is moving in over a period of time. Trends can be short-term, medium-term, or long-term, and they can be identified by analyzing stock price data. So, why is it important to track and analyze stock market trends? By understanding market trends, you can make more informed investment decisions and potentially increase your chances of success. For example, if you identify a trend of a particular stock increasing in value, you may decide to buy it, with the hope that the trend will continue and you'll earn a profit. On the other hand, if you identify a trend of a stock decreasing in value, you may decide to sell it, to avoid potential losses. Now, let's talk about how to track and analyze stock market trends. There are a few key tools and techniques you can use. 1. Charts. One of the most common tools for tracking stock market trends is a chart, which shows the price of a stock over a period of time. By looking at a chart, you can see how the stock has performed and identify any trends that may be developing. There are several types of charts that you can use, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For example, a line chart is a simple chart that shows the stock's price over time as a line, while a bar chart shows the stock's price as a series of vertical bars. A candlestick chart is another type of chart that shows the stock's price range over a period of time, with a body that represents the stock's open and close prices, and wicks that represent the high and low prices. By analyzing the charts of a particular stock, you can identify trends and make predictions about where the stock's price may be headed. Moving averages. A moving average is a statistical measure that shows the average price of a stock over a certain number of days. By analyzing the moving averages of a stock, you can identify its trend. For example, if the stock's 50-day moving average is trending upward, it may be a sign that the stock is in an uptrend. On the other hand, if the stock's 50-day moving average is trending downward, it may be a sign that the stock is in a downtrend. Trend lines. A trend line is a line drawn on a chart that connects a series of data points. By drawing trend lines, you can identify the general direction of the trend and predict where the stock price may be headed. For example, if the stock's price is consistently rising and forming higher highs and higher lows, it may be in an uptrend. On the other hand, if the stock's price is consistently falling and forming lower highs and lower lows, it may be in a downtrend. Technical indicators. Technical indicators are mathematical calculations based on the price and/or volume of a stock. By analyzing technical indicators, you can get a sense of the stock's trend and its momentum. For example, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a technical indicator that measures the stock's strength or weakness based on its price and volume. If the RSI is above 70, it may be a sign that the stock is overbought and may be due for a correction. On the other hand, if the RSI is below 30, it may be a sign that the stock is oversold and may be a good buying opportunity. By using these tools and techniques, you'll be better equipped to track and analyze stock market trends. However, it's important to keep in mind that trends are not always easy to identify and can change quickly. It's important to be patient and consistent in your analysis, and to use multiple tools and techniques to confirm your findings. It's also important to remember that stock market trends are just one factor to consider when making investment decisions. You should also consider the overall health and performance of the company, as well as external factors such as the economy and political climate. By taking a holistic approach to investing, you can make more informed and well-rounded decisions. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some insights on how to track and analyze stock market trends. Remember, it takes time and practice to become a pro at trend analysis, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. With persistence and dedication, you'll be well on your way to becoming a pro at tracking and analyzing stock market trends. Thanks for watching.